In this video, we're going to look at bank import and how it can speed up your processing. Here is an imported bank statement, and we're going to take the transactions one by one. The first is a direct debit to the phone company, so we select that. We want to save it as a rule so that it will suggest what to do in the future. And what to do, we're asking it to post to telephone and email. We can also say which fund if we're using funds, and submit. The second entry is actually a payment of a bill. When we selected it as a payment and we say the office products, the system will recognize any bills we have outstanding and we can apply that to the bill. Again, we can save it as a rule so it will be suggested in the future, and submit. Here we have one that's already set up as a rule, post to the account insurance. We can edit it, but if we're happy, we simply click OK. Earth Technology. This was a receipt against an invoice that we raised on the system. So we specify who the customer was and we identify the invoice or invoices that it applies to. Again, I'm saving as a rule so that it'll offer this as an option in the future. If you're a charity and you receive donations, then there's a specific document type called donation, and the donation should be recorded there and identifying who the donor was. As a regular donor, we're going to create this as a rule and it will update the donations account. Again, specifying the fund, and submit. And finally, here we have some rules already in place, post to the bank charges and allocate this against a bill. So it will suggest what bills are available, I apply it and I simply click submit. We've now finished and I finalize, and the bank transactions are now imported. You have your bank statement reconciliation, which you can print, and if we look at the actual bank account, we'll see that the transactions have been entered and reconciled. Liberty Accounts Bank Import, a simpler way to record your transactions and perform your reconciliation.